Friends, welcome to my channel EduTech. Today we are going to discuss on a very important topic, very important idea, that how to convert the PowerPoint into the video. I guess every faculties or my teacher colleagues and the student friends, you might be need this, because whenever you are carrying your PowerPoints, at the time there might be certain problems when it will be open, when the animations will be played. So in spite of that, what you can do is you can simply convert your PowerPoint into the video. So let's go through.
Let me first explain you what is the PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a software package from the Microsoft Office that designed to create electronic presentation consisting of series of separate pages or the slides. Now, for converting the video, you need to have some basic things with you. The basic things includes your PowerPoint presentations or the slides should be with you. Secondly, you should have the good recorder with you. Now, when I'm trying to record, we don't have any kind of control over the PowerPoint to set up our microphone. So for that purpose, let's go through the speaker icon here. Can you see here? This is a speaker icon. Right click on this, then go to the sound setting. With the sound setting, you need to go through the microphone, and with the microphone you need to select the input device for your microphone. Say for example, if I am using here microphone HD webcam to C270, that's for the recording purpose. You can see here also, whenever I am trying to talk with this, you can have the microphone shows hovering level. Similarly, what you can do is you can adjust the master volume. This can be adjusted according to your this system requirement. Okay, so this is simply what we have done is we have set up the mic here, and with the mic setup you will find we can move further. Now, the very important thing to remember here, that whenever we are recording with the PowerPoint, we are recording the PowerPoint presentation on the slides only. So to convert it, the PowerPoint to the video, we should remember that whenever we are talking, we should talk on the slides only. Now for that purpose, where we need to go is, we need to go here with the icon that's called as a slideshow. When I'm going to click on the slideshow, you will find there is an option which says it's with the option it's the record slideshow. With the record slideshow, if I'm going to click on the record from the current slide, right? If I'm going to click on record from the current slide, it will directly take me to record from the slideshow. Very importantly, if you are using any kind of a webcam or any kind of the video capturing devices, that will also be recorded with this PowerPoint. Of course, this is available on a 2016 further versions of the Microsoft Office. Then once you are going to be click on the record button, it will give you the counter wherein you can just on the counting like 1 2 3, and here it's recording. Okay, so with this you will find the recording, it shows like recording in progress. Now let me talk something on the slides, that PowerPoint to video presentation. Let's go in the detail of this presentation. So the very first one is the title and the content. Now very importantly, when I am using the title and the content here, there's a pane options. Can you see here? With the pane option, I can use any pane to mark the annotation here. So you can add your first bullet point here, you can add your second bullet point here, and you can add your third bullet point here. So this is just for the recording purpose I'm using. Then the next slide is the title and the content layout with the chart. Here there are the three categories or four categories are there, the category 1, 2, category 3 and the 4. It shows the trend line wherein it seems to be like with the series 1, series 2 and the series 3, how the chart is moving. So you can speak whatever may be your charts explain here. Then with the next slides, it's with the title and the content which I have just for the recording purpose I have done. This is of course I have added with the smart art, or you can just by clicking here you can add it with the, so it shows like a task description, then the second task description, it goes to the step 1 title, then step 2 title, again some task which has been defined here, then with the step 3 title, and this is the task which has been shown here. Now that's all which I have recorded here, and thank you with the last slides. So if you need to stop the presentation, either you can press the escape button or directly you can press here the stop button. Now you can see there is the kind of the sound icon here, right? So if you want to replay this all, now to save this, what you need to do is you need to go to the file menu, then from that you need to go on export, create a video, click on this create a video, and you can use here the options, like if you want to have the full HD option, or if you want to use it like a ultra HD, that's a 4K, that's options which are available here. So let me select right now for this purpose is a full HD, and the second option is to use the recorded timings and the narration. This will record whatever may be the annotations which we have used with the PowerPoint. So let me just create the video here. Let me save this. You will see here that whatever may be your presentation which you have made, it will be saved with the MP4 extension, and that will be showing here that what is the progress. So it will take definitely the time to render the whole video. So that's